Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to assign double tap to change next song for your earbuds. Okay, and you can simply do this thing by downloading application Hey Melody. Open your Play Store, then download Hey Melody application. You can see here this is the icon. After downloading that, open your application, give some permissions like locations and Bluetooth, then connect to the device, then open the device, then you will receive this page, this home screen, and here you can see earbud controls. Open that, then select your earbuds, left side or right side. In this case, I'm selecting left side one. Then you can see here single tap left earbud is none, there is no functions assigned, so I'm going to assign double tap left buds for next track. You can see here, click on double tap earbuds, then select next track. So now if I double tap on left side, it will be change the track to next one. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.